guys, may bisita kami. Ganun ka.
Hi guys! Good morning, good evening, at madaling araw ba dyan sa
Oras na ba? Alas 3.
3 a.m.?
So, mga kami guys,
3
mga
sa Pinas.
bisita kami dito sa bahay ni Cora.
3 a.m. nandito sila sa bahay. Char,
so, busog na busog kami. Thank you, Cora. Busog na busog kami, guys. Talaga. Guys, support Cora's channel. Binasa na kayo ni Christian.
3 p.m. Meron po kaming bisita. Dito sila nag-lunch. At maganda kasi may kalaro si William at si Ben. Pero si Ben, nasa ba? Nakatulog. Tulog na si Ben.
So, magsa-start si Cora ng kanyang YouTube channel, guys. No? So, support the channel. It's about family, right?
Yes.
No, family.
Having 2 kids, 1-year-old, 4-year-old with working parents. So, ang aking husband full-time at ako'y part-time. Pero syempre, it's parang everyday life lang ba?
Daily
Kasi
life.
ang ating friend dito, influencer. So, oh my God.
Small lang daw eh. Maliit lang. Wag ka maliit lang dyan. Baka,
So, parang lang po, parang everyday, para mapanood din nila nanay, tatay, mga kamag-anak sa Philippines. So, it's a dynamic, parang buhay sa UK as a Filipino and British family. Smile ka mo, anak. And Ilocano family din.
Ilocano ko din.
So, parang first time namin kung mag-video, ayos natin ang paa mo na.
Lahat tayo sa'yo. Ganun talaga pag sa una. Ganun talaga.
O, diba? Pero pagka pangalawa, pangatlo, siguro bahala ka na, diba?
Lagay mo dyan sa salita. Ganun. So, yeah, ganun talaga.
So, ano pa bang sasabihin ko?
Ayusin natin yung pag-alis mo. Ayusin natin yung
Oo.
Yung laro, mga bata ba?
Ay, sandali. I'm going to help my husband muna kasi he's going to work for night shift. This is his 3rd night na. So, 4 nights ang kawawa.
Can I take these to work?
Oh, yes, darling. Oh, he's taking some pulburon. Goldilocks. Unsponsored po ito ang Goldilocks. Masarap. Andali lang po at ako'y tutulungan na.
Ako yung mga bata.
Sige. See you later.
Hindi na kailan sabihin niya, Anday. Where are you going? Christian? Christian? What are you doing, Christian? Ben? Hi, Ben. It's William. Is it William, right? Where's Ben? He's sleeping. So, say hi to Auntie's vlog, Christian. Christian, say hi, guys. William, say hi, guys. Your husband is calling you. Cora, Thomas calling you.
May naisip siyang idea. Good boy, folding the towel. Excuse me, yes?
Yeah. How's A50 been generally wise? You what, sorry? A50 then, please, or not?
No, not since I've come back from holiday.
Alright, good. Generally, it's not a bad version of that.
It's only rubbish when there's actually something happened with it.
Yeah, exactly. Has you got stuff on there for
Oh, that's good.
6,000?
Did she?
Yeah, she used to work at Full Cost Road.
I don't know it now.
It's a spa hotel.
Oh, I've heard of it. Yeah, it's
Like-
down.
Like a package, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
You know the turn on the A50 where you come off Litchfield?
Yes,
A51.
yes.
That one.
Yeah.
He's so excited.
Love the place. Maybe it's got made later on.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think I've been past it, you know.
have you?
I think they used to be past it to pick farms up.
Oh, yeah, you probably have one there.
Yeah. It is in the middle of nowhere, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been past it, yeah.
Places called Marchington and stuff like that.
Yeah, Marchington Cliff, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got farms around there,
Yeah.
Nice area, isn't it?
Yeah. Beautiful, mate. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, but it is a bit like Madison Oaks, maybe.
Yeah. Good to you, to be fair.
Do you think?
Yeah.
I've never been really myself, so I wouldn't know.
I mean, we would.
will ring.
Maybe that's not. Last shot round down there.
Yeah, but she goes to the hospital now, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. Much better.
No weekends either.
Yeah, it's much better, isn't
I
it?
think she'll be 1 in 6 or 7 or 7. Nothing, is it?
No, it's happy days, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yan ba yun? Baka ito muna yung ilagay natin. Hindi ba pwede? O, ito daw ba una?
Lagay mo na yan. Dito mo, no?
Oo, sa baba na
So,
ilagay.
lagay mo lahat.
Sa taas.
Baka gusto ni Tom. Nandun siya sa pangalan ng vlog mo.
Okay naman.
Di ba sabi ako muraan, Tom?
Ay, hindi yung ano na.
Christian, be careful. This is dangerous.
No.
This is dangerous, Christian. Oh.
Very hole.
Hala, Day. Kaya yan, kaya. Kaya mo yan.
Kasi, okay siya dito.
Pumasok na ba sa baba?
Oo.
Yung sa taas na lang ata.
Oo. Ito lang ang hindi sila compatible.
Anak pa more, Day.
Oh my God.
Watch out your eyes.
Hindi na kayang powers.
Babae na naman. Talagang napaano na, no?
There's a gap. So
Paano ba yan?
click siya. So ito mas malakas. It should be okay.
Okay, nga bata lang naman eh.
Dos lang sila.
Hindi, bababa siya, ibababa, di ba?
Click na ba yan? Nag-click.
Pwede na yan, uy.
Just this one.
Christian, what are you doing?
Okay na.
Itong anak ko na to. Ay, ayusin mo na. Oh, Christian, swing na.
Mommy, cute.
Yeah, Q, you have to wait. After William.
Ay, dumagilaw muna.
Oh, masaya ka na.
Ayan, nagawa na natin. Kailangan
Na-fix mo na.
ayos to.
Buti na lang strong ng mami nila. Wow, see? Oh, Christian's turn. Wala na ate kasi Christian. Wala! Be careful, be gentle, okay?
Sila. Let's put some cushions there. Let's put more cushions, guys.
Ganda, Cor. Ganda, Cor. Well done. Well done, mate.
So we don't have to go to the park every day.
O, di ba?
Diba, dito lang kayo maglaro bago ano.
Hindi yung mga ang park kasi dahil parang
Oh, Kuya King first. Woo! Oh, go do properly. Your legs first. Your feet first. Aray ko. Oh, go na, go. Ready, steady. Oh, go, Ben. Oh, go, Ben. Go, Ben. Try. Go on, Ben. Go on. It's okay. Climb. You can do it. Help them. Do you need help? Oh, come on then. Right, let me help you. Mm.
I see the fly inside.
It's okay. It's only a fly. It's not gonna hurt you.
No.
Yeah, go on.
Dad,
No, it's okay.
what happened?
I'll go. It's gone. I'll go on.
I'm watching.
Oh, slide now, and then we can try the swing. Go on. Ready, steady. Ready, steady, go. Whee! Ang liit. Oh, come on. We'll get you there. Go. Go on, swing. Whee! Seesaw. We need the space sa likod. Oh. Whee! Bash. Bong, bong. We need to move that out of the way. Uh-oh. Dear. You alright, Ben? You okay, Ben?